This video is a short clip from my full course, How to Use Masks in Photoshop, from beginner to expert in less than 2 hours. Link is in the description. The best way to select hair is not by going into select color range, grabbing the background, saying okay, creating a mask, inverting it, and here let's just add a solid color background, and here we go. Yellow, great, okay. This is a decent way. Going into color range is a decent way to do it, especially if you have a perfectly white background, like in this example. But there is a better way. So let's bring this, let's duplicate both of these and delete this layer mask. The better way to do it is with something called channels. Now there's a lot I could say about channels, but all that you really need to know is that if you go into Window Channels and click on the 3 different buttons, you get 3 different black and white versions of your image. And one of them, hopefully, has a pretty good contrast between the foreground and the background. So find the one with the best contrast between the foreground and background, not the red one. In this case, sometimes it is the red one. And then do a series of steps. Stay with me. Select everything with Command A, then copy it, Command C. Then turn all of your channels back on and get rid of the channel window. Go onto the layer and create an empty mask. And then go into that mask by Alt-clicking. So now we're inside of the mask. And paste the channel that you copied into the mask with Command V. So now we have the channel inside of the mask. So what we're looking at is this. I'm going to invert it so the whites show. And then we have a really, really good selection. So just to show you the difference between this and color range, with using channels, we get something that looks like this. With using color range, we got something that looks like this. Both are decent, but you can see that channels is much, much better. Let me show you those steps one more time because I know it was a bunch of steps that I just threw your way. What we do is we go to Window, Channels. We click on the one that has the best point of contrast. We select all, we copy, we turn all of the colors back on. We go here, we add a mask, we go into the mask with Alt-clicking, paste it, invert it. And now what we have is a much finer selection than we ever could have gotten with color range. And that is the power of using channels to create a mask. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to once again stack layers to get all of this selected in. If you liked this video and want to learn more about the ins and outs of using masks to get great selections, please check out the full class. It starts here and then ramps up to how to do complicated hair selection. In less than 2 hours, it covers what takes most people years to learn, or rather, teaches you how to select with a level of control that most people never have. How to do it faster and better by using masks. The link's below. And to download the image used here, go to that same link and just sign up for the free preview to get access. Thanks for watching.